this time of year, well, it's autumn 2020, I would be thinking of the East Lancs Railway Steam Gala and looking forward to that. But it doesn't look like there's going to be one in 2020. So you know what? Let's try to create one here at Northway. The main station on the East Lancs Railway, you would say the centre of operations, is Bury, Lancashire. But at the south end of the railway we've got a place called Haywood, and in Haywood is Ian Riley, brackets E, close brackets, Engineering Limited, and they do an awful lot of work on heritage steam locos. Ian Riley himself owns a number of locomotives, and one of them is the Black 5 44871. Well, we haven't got 44871. In fact, let's have a look at 44871. Well, we've got a Black 5 which we're going to substitute for 5116. Hope you like that. This is a very interesting little bookazine which I've acquired. East Lancs Railway by Andy Coward. And here inside, I'm turning to this page. Whoops. Here inside I'm turning to this page. We have Gresley V2 green arrow. Now I realise that in this picture it is in British Railways Brunswick green, and that our green arrow, which is here, is in LNER apple green. Also, I don't think that Green Arrow runs anymore, and never will ever again. But you know what, it's a virtual gala, isn't it? So let's take advantage of the fact that it's a virtual gala and run some trains that in the real world cannot run. Another recent visitor we've had at the East Lancs Railway is the Duchess of Sutherland. Just watch this. Wasn't that impressive? Well, except for the name, here we have the Duchess of Buccleuch. That's pretty much the same locomotive, isn't it? I think in the context of a virtual recreation we can accept that. So, Duchess of Buccleuch will be running today. And the LMS Crab. Now the LMS Crab on the East Lancs Railway looks just like this one. It's numbered 13065. Ours is number 13098. That's the only difference. Oh, there's another difference. Ours can run. At the moment, unfortunately, 13065 is in for overhaul, quite seriously poorly. So we wish well to 13065. In the meantime, today, in the virtual Gala, 13068. Let's watch them running. Bye.